Hello friends, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and this is one of the interesting topic, why mails land into a spam. After doing a lot of research, we have found a top 13 reasons why it lands into a spam. Here, email spamming is nothing but any mail which has been sent which is not requested by the user, but it was sent to that user. There are mainly two reasons. The first one is mail flood, that is sending a mail to a large group of audience, and second one, unsolicited. That means the mail which is not requested by the recipient. The very first one is sending a unrequested mail to a subscriber. Let's say you are having a computer tips and tricks website and you are sending a mail regarding mobile offers. Second example, another one, a Shopify website. If customer buy a service from a Shopify website, he should not get mail from other companies or other products. If you are sure about the content is relevant to the subscriber, then only send them, not taking a subscription verification from the user. Here, always try to do double email opt-in. That means take a permission from the user for sending mails or content on any offer. If user confirm, then only send a mail. Otherwise, don't send. This will avoid junk mail list. And the third one, whenever you are writing a mail, try to avoid the spam trigger words. These are called as common spamming words. There are a lot of websites available over the internet to check whether your content has a spammy words or not. The common words are promo, offer, no reply, info, and many more. So try to avoid these words while writing a better email. Now the fourth point is, if you are dropping a lot of mail to the subscriber, they might get irritated with that and might mark you as a spam. Or if you are sending less number of mails, user might forget you. If you are sending irrelevant mail, so all these three cases, user will not mark your email as a spam. Now move to a next point. If you are hiding your unsubscribe link, if somebody wanted to opt out from your email list, he might get a difficulty, because here if user wanted to leave your subscription list, he might not able to do that, or ultimately he marked your email as a spam. The conclusion is, give a easy to unsubscribe link. Next one is, never send too much or too frequently emails to a subscribers, because the user also have its personal life. Here you have to make sure that you have to keep a balance between number of mails and frequency. This will give a better impressions to the user and they will read your mails timely basis. To avoid mails landing in a junk, we should have to understand expectations of the subscriber, and based on that we have to send them a mail. Mention in the expectations area how often they want a mail from you. Maybe weekly, monthly, or a 15 days basis. And the next point is poor quality traffic coming to your website. Because user, whenever visit your website, if he not get a desired information, definitely it will create an impact on your email list. The infographics is explaining the same. Our team has analyzed the poor quality traffic towards website, how impact your email list. The eighth point is, if he cannot able to recognize you, mail might be an unknown sender, and it will definitely create an impact on your readability. So to avoid this, always drop a mail from your brand with a proper email ID. This way they can able to easily recognize you and will not skip your mail for opening, and they will open your mail frequently. The most of time we have seen that people are trying to mislead the users. So let's say an example, in the subject 90% off on iPhone mobile. So really it is possible. So people try to open that. Now the 10th point is, avoid a spam triggered words like free gift, free order, 60% discount, hurry up, free DVD, free coupons. These are all spam triggered words. So always try to avoid, and to avoid this, there are a lot of online tools available. Just go and check your mail if it has any common spam triggered words. You just have to replace with a better wording to avoid an email trigger. Move towards the 11th point. Here, technically it has to be very careful. many times people buys the email list and start dropping a mail blindly. In that, maybe 30% mails are not exist or has deleted because of some reasons, and you are dropping them a mail, which increases the mail failure ratio. Means if you don't know the person and you are dropping a mail, definitely your email ID will mark as a spam. So to avoid that, always use double opt-in method. So first take the confirmation from email owner and then only drop a mail. This step has to be very careful because here the most of time people do this and they mark their entire domain as a spammy one. And this one has to be carefully taken. So each and every website owner should take care of this special point. And to avoid this, first send invitation mail, he subscribe and then start dropping a mail. Do not try to do a bulk mailing or email spamming, because once your email ID got spammed, it might not whitelist again. So be careful about this. Last and 13th point is only image you are sending to the user, which loads slowly. Sometimes the email provider blocks the images or they are not mobile friendly. Now we had completed 13 email spam rules. Hopefully you understood how to avoid email landing into a spam. If you wanted to know more about email spamming, you can able to visit a link given in the description of this video, which has 21 untapped strategy to avoid email spamming. And the bonus point is try to use a dedicated IP address whenever you are dropping an email. It will avoid email spamming because of other users. You can comment below your query. We will try to answer them all. Please do subscribe, like and share this video so we will come up with a new video guides.